never give up. Remember, God always says we need to be
Strong.
strong. We need to be
Brave.
brave. And God will reward you after. Okay ba yun? Please, ma'am. Oh, tsaka okay lang yun. Ganun talaga pag first time ka nag-bike. Siyempre, lalaglag ka pa. Tapos medyo nagsisik-sik ko yung bike mo. Pero mamaya, okay na yan.
Yes! Go anak! Go, go!
Dad, paano ka natuto magbike? Who taught you how to be brave?
Galatians chapter 6 verse 9. Let us not get tired of doing good, for we will reap at the proper time. We do not give up. Just like biking, we do not give up when things get hard. We need to be strong
Strong.
and brave.
Brave.
Okay?
We need to be strong and brave always whenever we ride a bike. Is that it, Dad?
Yes, Nak. This verse speaks that we need to be strong and brave in every aspect of our lives. In your school, in your activities.
That seems so hard, Dad.
Nothing to worry about that, Nak. There's nothing too hard, for God is always with us. Okay?
Okay, Dad.
Dad, thank you. Hello? Dad! Kumusta naman po kayo dyan sa States? Happy Father's Day po! Ako, nami-miss ko na nga mga banding natin eh. Opo, sandali. Kausapin ka daw ng apo mo.
Happy Father's Day, Lolo! I love you po! Father's Day po!
Kayang-kaya mo naman eh. Tapang-tapang mo, brave. Strong. Okay, peace, Mom. Woo! Good job, anak. I'm proud of you.